In order to load labels, go to the Load Supplies option on the home screen and press Load Supply. This will back up the dispensing mechanism so that it's easier to load. Open the side door. Take your roll of labels with the Smart Cell side down at the 6 o'clock position and slide the roll all the way to the back of the media spindle. Take the tab of the media and rotate it counterclockwise so that the Smart Cell locks into the memory cell reader. Then, take the liner of the labels to thread through the machine. You want to make sure 12 inches or approximately 6 notches of the liner is hanging over the front cover. This should be enough liner to thread through the Wraptor A6500. You want to make sure that both nip rollers are open. These are the rollers with yellow knobs. The nip roller closest to the label roll should be pushed down and then in. There is a pin that is placed in a hole so it remains open. Then begin threading by going over the first silver guide roller, and then through the black rubber roller and nip roller. Then lock the nip roller in place by pulling the yellow knob. This will lock the liner of the labels in place. Then push the yellow and black media guide towards the liner. The media guide should just touch the label material. Next, you want to go around the peel edge and under the label deflector. The label deflector has O-rings on it. At the same time, slide it in past the metal guide roller with the yellow media guide. Then, place your finger on the liner so you can keep it in place. Feed the liner back down through another set of black rubber rollers and nip rollers. Then you want to lock in the nip roller just as you did with the first one. Finally, place any leftover liner or media under the black bar of the take-up spindle. If the black piece is flat, the spindle is in the open position. Slide the liner underneath and against the metal wall. Turn the bracket back so it's in the vertical position that holds the liner in place. Now you're ready to press the Feed Supply button on the touchscreen. Remove any labels that are dispensed, and continue to press the Feed Supply button until just one label is fed out at a time. Remember to remove the labels before going to the next step. Lastly, close the side door, and then press Done on the screen, which will move the dispensing mechanism to the forward position. And now you are ready to wrap your wires.